Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making 2-ingredient strawberry chocolate bars. These organic chocolate bars are simple and easy to make at home. Start by adding 340 grams of mini dark chocolate chips to a heat-proof bowl. Melt in 30-second intervals in the microwave, stirring between each one to prevent burning. If you want to temper the chocolate, you can do this as well by melting 80% of the dark chocolate in a double boiler until it reaches 115 degrees on a chocolate thermometer. Then add in the remaining 20%, stir to combine completely, and allow the chocolate to cool to 91 degrees or until it reaches temper. Add 20 grams of freeze-dried strawberries to a small mixing bowl and crush them up a little bit. Add the chocolate molds onto a baking sheet. This makes it so much easier to move them around. I like to crush up the freeze-dried strawberries a little bit so I get small pieces in the chocolate bars. Then I add some to the bottom of the chocolate molds. This will allow some of the strawberries to shine through on the top of the chocolate bars. Add the remaining freeze-dried strawberries to the melted chocolate and mix together. Pour the chocolate into the molds and spread it out evenly. Transfer to the fridge or freezer to set. Once the chocolate is set, remove it from the molds. I hope you enjoy these strawberry chocolate bars as much as I do. For more organic candy recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.